Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 330. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues where some keys on your Lenovo Yoga 330 aren't responding, you're not alone. This can happen due to dust and debris getting trapped under the keys or even due to a faulty keyboard connection. If left unchecked, it can lead to further complications, making your device difficult to use effectively. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new keyboard for your Lenovo Yoga 330. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Next, use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back is removed, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently unclip this cable using the spudger, being cautious not to damage any nearby components. After disconnecting the cable, you can now remove the screws holding the keyboard in place. Once these screws are out, carefully lift the keyboard. You may need to wiggle it a bit to detach it from the clips holding it in place. With the old keyboard removed, take your new keyboard and align it correctly, ensuring it fits into the clips. Once in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Now, reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, making sure it's seated properly. It's essential to double-check that all connections are secure before reassembling the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After ensuring everything is connected, carefully reattach the back panel by pressing it down until all clips are secured, and replace the screws. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 330 and test the keys to ensure they are functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your keyboard with compressed air to remove dust and debris, and avoid eating or drinking near your device to minimize spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.